because I kind of live and breathe this world every single day. Break it up. Here's the container in all its glory. It's a big one. I love e-commerce. Hey, this is Allison. I've got two things today. Number one, I'm gonna show you how you can get beautiful spaces in between your Instagram paragraphs because no one wants to read a big, huge, long chunk of text. Break it up. And I'll show you how to do it very fast and easy. And then the second thing, I'm gonna show you a sneak peek of the container that we just got. Big old 40-foot container, and give you a sneak peek at some items that are in there. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that social stuff, and let's get started. We just got word that our container arrived. A 40-foot container full of a ton of stuff. So I'm headed over to make sure that it's all good. I'm excited to see what's in there. Here it comes, the container. It's a big one. Let's do 5 at a time, please. All right, you're gonna love this trick. It is so fast and easy. Like, oh my gosh, it just makes my heart so happy. Okay, so I'm gonna scroll down, this is my Instagram page, scroll down a little bit and find a picture of what how I used to post. So I would post and I would add emojis to kind of help break it up. But it was still a big block of paragraph and I hated the way that it looked. I know I like paragraphs, they're just faster to read, right? And so what I did is I started posting this way as I type some information in, hit enter here, then put a dot, and then enter again, and then the next paragraph, and then the next paragraph. But I really didn't like the way that those dots looked, and I've seen other people post without it. So I actually posted this in my Instagram, on an Instagram story, and I had a guy respond back to me and he said, hey, there's this really cool site that will help you do it, and the site's free, which isn't that the best thing ever? So it's actually called Apps for Life, and the URL's right here, and I will put a link down below so that you can get this link easy. And all you do is you literally type in the shenanigans that you want to write, whatever you want to write. I would recommend not typing in this and posting that, because it's just gibberish. And then like you can enter in a whole bunch of spaces so that you can hide your hashtags even further down so people don't have to see them right away, or whatever you want to do, right? And then I want to show you what it looks like once you have added that to your post. Look at this post right here. There's no dots in between. It's easier to read. It's faster for people to just glance at versus a whole huge chunk of text. And all it was me just putting the information in right here, converting and copying to the clipboard, hitting OK, and then pasting it in my post. Now you can do this on a computer. If you're on your desktop, I actually use Hootsuite to schedule out all my Instagram posts, or if I'm just on my phone, this actually opens up in your phone and it works really well on your phone too. So there's two ways to do it for you to be able to add those beautiful clean spaces in between your writing. Like here's another one right here. Who wants to win? Like that's so fast and easy to read. And then here's what we're giving away. And then here's how to enter. It's just so much cleaner. So get using it because it's just awesome and it's free. I had some boxes brought over and you want to see what's in them. That was in that huge container. I'll give you a sneak peek of a few of the items. All right, here's the boxes right here. I just had them set them right here. Here's my office. Oh, the lights are on, we're recording. And, okay, here's one of them right here. I may need to set this down because I have a hard time opening packages with one hand, one camera. Okay. Look how cute that is. It is, let's see if it's on this side. Yep, there it is right there. It's a bread box. Oh, here's my sister, hi! Oh, I'm recording. Say hi. Oh, I love my sister. Anyways, cute bread box right there. That's one thing that came on the container. And then here's another one down here. I'm not gonna pull that one out, but it's fun. Fun stuff. I love this. I love e-commerce. It's a lot of product, right? 40-foot container, you never realize how big it is until it gets here. And I actually have another 1.5 coming. So, I guess that tells you a little bit about me. I love e-commerce. I love selling products online because I can do it when I'm in my pajamas or while I'm at my son's soccer practice, right? Like, it's the best thing ever. I love it. If e-commerce interests you, don't forget to click the link below and find out more, because I kind of live and breathe this world every single day because it's magical. It's awesome. And come over, join, and just learn how e-commerce can change your life. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Bye.